Welcome to Senior Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about some easy tips and tricks to help you save battery life on your iPhone. If you find your phone's battery draining too quickly, these steps can help you get the most out of your device. Let's get started. The first tip is to adjust your screen brightness. A bright screen can drain your battery quickly. To lower the brightness, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center, then drag the brightness slider down. Next, let's talk about low power mode. This feature reduces background activity and helps extend your battery life. To turn on low power mode, go to Settings, then Battery, and toggle on low power mode. You'll notice the battery icon turns yellow when it's enabled. Another way to save battery is by managing your app usage. Some apps consume more power than others, especially when they run in the background. Go to Settings, then Battery to see which apps are using the most battery. Turning off location services for apps that don't need it can also save battery. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services. Here, you can choose which apps can use your location and set them to never, or while using the app. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest software. Apple often releases updates that include improvements for battery life. To check for updates, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. And there you have it. By adjusting your screen brightness, using low power mode, managing app usage, turning off unnecessary location services, and keeping your software updated, you can significantly improve your iPhone's battery life. Thanks for watching Senior Tech Talk. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.